Hi there, hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS, bloating, painful digestion, heartburn, reflux, etc. Any associated hormone issues or chronic fatigue, things like that, which can often have their root cause in something that's happening that's not quite right in your gut. So omega-3 fats are something that's going to be playing a really important role in how healthy your gut is for a number of reasons. So I'll just go into what those reasons are and then give you the best food sources so you can make sure you're getting plenty into your diet. So firstly then, omega-3s are known for being highly anti-inflammatory, and we need to keep them in balance with omega-6 fats, which are highly inflammatory. So we've got to keep that balance nice and kind of, at the right levels. So basically, if you're suffering with your gut health, it's going to be a really important area and a really important nutrient to make sure that you focus on it and make sure you're getting enough. Basically, because a lot of science now has proven that an adequate intake of omega-3 fats is critical to maintain a really healthy gut microbiome. So the more, if you've got adequate levels going on, it's going to kind of keep your microbiome nice and healthy. In addition to that, as I said, there's the whole inflammation issue. So with quite a lot of these gut problems, there's going to be inflammation present. So we need to make sure you've got plenty of omega-3 fats going on to kind of calm down that inflammation. In addition, there's also the gut-brain axis, and making sure that you have plenty of omega-3s in your diet is going to be really critical to make sure that you've got the gut-brain axis working properly, and it's going to be really helpful for you to reduce anxiety, etc. Because as we know, what goes on in the mind impacts the gut and vice versa. So there's a few really big reasons there why we need to be really focusing on that omega-3 intake to make sure that you have got a nice healthy microbiome and gut environment in general. So in addition to that, so as I say, the omega-3s are going to be fighting inflammation in your body. They're going to be protecting your brain. They're vital for keeping your cardiovascular system healthy. Super important in pregnancy that you're getting enough, because you need to make sure that fetal brain development is optimal. It's vital for skin health and hormone production as well. So it's really something that is critical for keeping every body system ticking over nicely, really. So if you're deficient, you may be thinking, oh yes, this sounds a bit like me. If you're deficient, you're going to get a few signs. So in addition to it impacting your gut, it's going to be resulting in stuff like dry skin, mood problems, maybe you've got concentration problems, there's ADHD, irritability, allergies, etc. So those are a few more signs that you may be low in essential fats. Another thing actually is if you're not digesting properly, so you're not secreting enough enzymes and things to make sure that you're digesting your fat, that can also result in a deficiency because you're just not absorbing, and also things like SIBO as well, that can have an impact on how well you're absorbing your fats or not. So if you've ruled out all those other issues, the other thing that you can do to make sure you don't have a deficiency is make sure you're eating fish at least 2 to 4 times a week. That level is going to vary from person to person. But because fish is one of those foods people don't really seem that keen on, then it is quite often, an area that people are going to be, suffering a deficiency. If you're that person, then do make sure that you are taking a good quality supplement to kind of balance out any kind of deficiency that you might have. So the other thing you can do is focus on omega-3 rich plant foods. Now the plant foods they're all great foods generally, but they're probably not what you should be using for your main source of omega-3 fats. So things like chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, for example. all good sources, but the plant-based omega-3 is not quite so readily absorbed as the fish-based, so a bit of a problem there. But if you are eating those, then you can top up your levels with some kind of supplement, so either a fish oil supplement or a vegan based one if you're vegetarian or vegan. If you're not vegan or vegetarian, then grass-fed beef or grass-fed meats are another nice source, because they've got a nice balance of essential fats in them as well. So that's another area to explore. The other thing you need to do is make sure you've got a handle on those omega-6 oils, because, as I say, the omega-6 are very, very inflammatory. We've got to keep that balance, that ratio right, and omega-6 is in everything. So if you're cooking with stuff like vegetable oil or sunflower oil, that kind of thing, then make sure that you're kind of switching that out for something like olive oil or coconut oil, which is going to really kind of help you to bring those omega-6 fats down. Okay, I hope you found that useful. If you did, do like and share, and there's links in the comments to download recipes or book a call with me. So do go ahead, and I shall look forward to chatting to you. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.